Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I go by the name of Oh Snap Shack. I'm a part-time reseller on Poshmark, eBay, and MERCARI. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more videos like this one. So today I have part 2 of my Poshmark mystery unboxing for you guys. So this is a 10-piece box and it cost me $20 plus shipping, which was $7.11. I think it was a total of $28 with everything included. So this came from the closet of Jillian K.A., just like the last one. And this one actually shipped separately. I was actually impressed by the 10-piece deal for $20. So I went ahead and I bought a second one. Even though I hadn't even received my first box, I just went ahead for it. So I have to say this video was previously recorded and I don't know, somehow, some way it was deleted from my phone. So I have looked at everything in here, and I have to say what an amazing box this is. I'll get right into it and I will show you guys what I have. Alright, so first up we have this Asics racerback tank top. Has the logo right there, and this is in a size small medium. The back. So this is new with tags, you guys. This was the first piece I had pulled out, and I have to say I started off good. I was very happy. Just this one is worth $27.99, if you guys can see that. All right, next up we have this American Eagle top, and I'm just loving the detail right in the front. Love this piece. I think it'll be a good sell in my closet. Also new with tags. Very cute. All right, next up we have this 41 and Hawthorne top. So this one is in a size extra small and it's also new with tags, you guys. And it has the bird pattern, you guys. I don't know what kind of bird this is. What kind of bird is this? I know you guys are gonna make fun of me, but what kind of bird is it? Super cute top. All right. Next up, we have these Rock and Republic jeans. They have like the star pattern, if you guys can see that. They're skinny jeans, and these are in a size, what size are these? These are in a size 2. Love the details. The button, super cute. And it has the Rock and Republic logo in the back. Love them. All right, next up we have this Talbot's top. Just a red plaid. Sorry, you guys. My boyfriend will kill me if he heard me. Plaid top. And this one is in a size medium. Also very cute. You guys, did I tell you guys I paid $20 for this box? I feel like this is an amazing deal. All right, next up we have Free People. Do you guys see this? I got a Free People top in a $20 box. This is awesome. It's like a knitted sweater. It's in a size medium. Super cute, my size. I'll probably keep this for myself. I'm loving it. Blue's my favorite color, you guys. And this is 100% cotton. It's a very comfy sweater. All right, moving along here. Next up we have this Kate Spade top. I'm loving it's like a lace. I don't want to say lace. I'm loving the detail here on the sleeve. This isn't a size. This isn't a size small. Can't wait to post all of these to my closet. All right. Next up. All right, when I saw these, I was super shocked. You guys, I got Lululemon. Lululemon. Do you guys know how much money that's worth? I got these Lululemon capris. They have like a V opening at the bottom of the leg, if you guys can see. And these are in a size 4. They're super cute. I'm sure this will be a great sell in my closet. Just a black pair of capris. Super awesome. All right. And the final piece, last but not least, is this Lululemon skirt. And this is in a size small, you guys. You guys can see that, as usual. And I love the floral pattern it has. It's like a mid-length skirt, super stretchy. And she also sent me super cute ice cream wallet, which I love. This is mine. And that was my haul, you guys. I have to say this was the best mystery box I have ever gotten. I'm so grateful for it. I can't wait to post every single piece to my closet. Jillian, if you're watching, I appreciate everything so much. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for the next one, you guys.